The history of tea gardens in Bangladesh dates back to the 19th century during British colonial rule. The British began experimenting with tea cultivation in the region as early as the 1820s, recognizing the favorable climatic conditions of the northeastern region, particularly in Sylhet and Chittagong. In 1840, the first successful tea plantation was established in the Sylhet district, and the industry began to expand rapidly. By the late 1800s, tea estates were flourishing, and Bangladesh became a significant tea producer, contributing to the British economy. The tea gardens employed a large workforce, many of whom were brought in from different regions, including laborers from India. After Bangladesh gained independence in 1971, the tea industry faced several challenges, including political instability and economic difficulties. However, over the years, tea production has rebounded, and the country is now one of the top tea producers in the world, known for its distinct varieties such as Assam and Nilgiri teas. Today, the tea garden industry plays a vital role in Bangladesh's economy, providing employment to thousands and contributing to the export sector. The lush tea estates have also become popular tourist destinations, showcasing the beauty of the countryside and the cultural heritage associated with tea cultivation. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment to show your support.